Hey everyone. Alright, so I got this in here. It is a 1x2 Alta Shibas. 12879 Toshiba driving 22879 Toshibas. I haven't checked the volts on it because I'm looking at this thing. Owner says that the relay's sticking. It's working fine. It's just got one of those blue relays in it. One of those cheap China blue relays, and what it's doing is losing its ears. Also, you can see the fins on the heatsink are going this way, and the air is moving that way. So there's nothing going across the fins. Alright, so I can't really complain about a lot, and I'm not going to. Just merely what I see. Now, this transformer is soldered to the bus bar in the back. Yet, they took and put this monstrosity on there. I'm taking that off. They don't need that. They don't even need to be there. But another thing that really has me concerned. Oh my God. Is the power supply's loose. I kind of thought it was, because if you look where it's cut out, it's not sitting in the cutouts anymore. So really it used to be, it won't even go that far. It's up against the board, but at any rate, it's loose. That means I got to take all this loose and see how this is mounted in here. I don't have any idea. I mean, if they use tape, they didn't use good tape. That's where we're at. I done removed all the solder out here. There's just some more solder in here. Another big solder ball right there. I get it with my finger. Removed a bunch of this stuff. I'm surprised it wasn't hung up, or he made it to its destination where he got it at from and worked. So I looked all through it to make sure that that there wasn't no solder on the transistors. But yeah, we're dumping that. It's just that right there is all show and no go for sure. I don't understand that, but it works. It's doing it's doing about, let's see what it is doing. I forgot. Yeah, but if you listen, the relay's keying up every time. What's happening? Ella. It'll lose its ears. Ella. I won't lose them now. So, I'm just going to do peak here. See what the input reflect is. Ella. Is that right? Ella. That is it's a 1.5 watt input. Output. 1000 watt slug, bottom scale. Hello audio, got down. Hello audio. 550. This thing will focus. There we go. Hello audio, got down. 560. Alright, so I mean, I don't know what volts it's at. Alright. So we got two different kind of connectors in the back here on SO239. Doesn't matter. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just merely pointing it out. And I got to get this thing secure somehow or another. That's let me see if I turn this variable back a little bit and see if the input comes down or not. Not really. Damn it, man. Well, no, you don't need that. Hopefully that will reach here. Okay. What's I gonna do here? Nothing else. So this is the fans. Don't need that. They're slow enough. You got nothing going across the fence, so okay. So here's the top cover. Put some grill guards on it. I don't know if there was ever grill guards on it or not. You got me. Was built in a 2x8 cabinet, which real tight to work in, and yeah, it's a little more work than I would even consider cutting stuff out and stuff like that. Better just to get a PS100 power supply cabinet and just be done with it. Anyway, right. So we got our baseline and everything, and see what the input reflect is, and we're gonna see what we can do here. May be able to get a little bit more out of it. May not. But definitely try to get that input reflect down lower for sure. See what we got here. We had other things here. Now, supposedly,